Hey sweethearts, welcome to my YouTube channel Kamada. And if you have not yet subscribed to this beautiful channel, please kindly subscribe, comment, like, share. Your thoughts are always welcome in this channel. So on today's video, it's going to be cooking. It's like a kinda a lazy day with Sita, and as you can see, I'm saying my body sometimes. Nijo nilikuwa nasikiza some Kalenjin secular song, so if you see me like dancing nilikuwa nazisikiza. Don't ask kwani nimechizi nini. Yeah, so nikitaka kufanya mambo yangu haraka na kama nimeboeka, I usually like listen to music inaniseka up, and that's it. So I was planning to just cook some mayai and take with bananas and oranges, pasties. I don't know whether you have ever taken like that, lakini it was my first time and I was like, wow, I should be taking this kind if it's like I just want to like pika haraka na niko njaa. It's easy na nikashiba before maybe I cook to the main dish on all that stuff. My formula of cooking eggs is simple, like yangu si yenye iko na vitu mingi. I just don't like spices. I only just use salt and oil, and then that's it. Hizi zingine like easily nishinda kabisa. Tell me, how do you cook your eggs? time besties, I decided to just sit down and just watch something as I finish up eating. That's why you can see me sitting down on that path and getting myself entertained. Bula tu pole 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 pole. The fruits are so refreshing, I mean. Wow, wadau. After finishing kukula, vyombo zilikuwa zinanigojea hapo. Like a lot of utensils, they were unclean and I was feeling, nilikuwa nimejiambia wacha nizioshe before nianze kuwa na uvivu, kwa sababu kuwa na uvivu I don't know how I would do it. I was like, let me just start it at once. Lovely people watching this video, and hope kutoka ile time tulianza kupika you've enjoyed this video and umeipea like, uka comment, not skip the ad. So I'm done with everything that you've just seen. So I just wanted to wrap up this video by telling you something. By the way, toodles! I bought this amazing Katululu phone. You see? It was going for 2,000, and the reason why I bought this, at least I wanted to have like a kale Katululu kadogo where it's not having my business number. This one is now like my personal number, and the other one has got the business number here and na vlog nayo. So most of the time maybe you find me when I'm online and unafikiria I'm snobbing you, maybe you've texted me, and that's not the case. So at least na siwezi zima simu most of the nights when I just watch the TV, catching up with some things and running 1, 2, 3. So I just have this, so hii ni personal number, maybe my mom, dad, and him anaweza ni reach out na hii. The other one I can just nifunge, like it's 8 to 8. Is it 8 to 6? Yeah. So naiwasha E8 in the morning and then naizima 6. Much better, unless maybe when I'm taking a content, because I usually shoot with my phone. But if all goes well, I'm just playing like I just save up for a camera, a Sony ZV-1. Maybe on October I can buy it. You know, it will be my dream come true. Yeah, although it's a bit expensive, but anyway, tutajaribu venye utaweza. So anyway, if you want to support me in that, my PayPal jugunawanjiko@gmail.com, and on my and also Sendwave or also M-Pesa. I really appreciate hata nikipata before, because sababu I feel like shooting with the camera quality na kuwa poa nini ina attract. So naona, so I bought this one and that's it. I just wanted to show you and telling you this week Please you click me, wiki yangu ishaanza. Yangu inaanza kutoka Thursday to the other Thursday. I need to clean my nyumba kwenye sio shangi. The second thing is that I have to save up for a seat that I so juu kama sasa instead ya kusimama ningekuwa nimekaa chini. It's going for 6,500. I'm praying that niweze kununua by Thursday maybe. The other thing is that need to pay for my Wi-Fi. Like nimelipa 1,000, nimebakisha punch. What else do I need? I need like to nini na clients, replying on the DMs, and doing all that. So it's kinda, I would say it's kinda busy because we have a target of a certain amount that I want to have in this week so that I can weza achieve all what that I want. I have nothing much to say, just telling you to continue supporting me on my YouTube channel by viewing, sharing it out, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell, so anytime I upload a video you'll always be the first one to see this amazing video. Okay, follow me on my Instagram page, Shiko_Paul, TikTok at ShikoPaul1, Facebook ShikoPaul. Okay, bye. Toodles.